Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create or edit recurrent meeting in Microsoft Teams. It's very easy and simple tips and tricks. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to open here Microsoft Teams. So this is my Microsoft Teams, and here I just use this one as a demo point of view. So now first question comes here, how to create a meeting. It's very simple. You just simply click here calendar, here new meeting, and just put it here the title of meeting, demo video for the Research Rocks, and the add here participate, how many participate you want invite of this meeting. So I just demo point of view select one of this, choose here one of the date, like suppose for example 23rd of September, and I decide time morning 10 o'clock, and the same day is over. How much time you are spending this meeting, so like 1 hour or 2 hour or half an hour, accordingly your discussion. So I just simply select here half an hour. Location, so I just simply select here location, Teams, and you want add here some of the explanation of during the meeting, which types of point you are covering this meeting. So accordingly some of the key points you added here, and then send the invitation. After that your colleagues are accept your invitation, and on time he or she they join this meeting. It's easy. So look at this here, 23rd of September. Now next point come here, how to edit recurrent meeting on Teams. So you just simply click this meeting, and here edit options are come. If you want, click this one. So 23rd is a Saturday, is not working day, so accordingly that point of view I want edit this meeting. So just 23rd, so I select 25th, same time and same everything on Team. Just simply update. Someone are automatically receive this invitation of 25th of September morning 10 a.m. This is a simple process to create a meeting and edit a meeting. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video, and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.